While the number of COVID cases continues to rise, there is a little bit of good news to come out of the pandemic.
Yeah, colleges and universities say that they're seeing an increase in applications to their healthcare programs. It's a different kind of surge. Our Lauren Edwards talked to a few professors about it today. Lauren.
Yeah, Doug and Annie, that's a good way to put it. It is a different kind of surge. When I was speaking with the professors earlier today, we were just commenting about how, the pandemic has been hard for everyone. But if there's any silver lining, it's the fact that they are seeing an increase in applications and an interest in their health programs, and the professors are loving it.
There's no better marketing for a program than a pandemic because it's just simply putting public health out in the forefront of everyone's conversation.
Because it's what people are seeing and experiencing every day since the pandemic began in mid-March, and it's piquing people's interest, especially college kids.
At Grand Valley, I did look at the data from last year to this year, and we have a 33% increase in applications from 2019 to 2020.
And public health professor Raynell Bruce says they doubled the number of students who've enrolled in their public health program at GVSU in 2020, and she's excited about it.
I want to make sure that the next generation of public health professionals are, strong, and they're, this experience that we're in right now with COVID-19 is something we've never seen in 100+ years of public health.
And she's glad to guide them through this, just like the professors at the nursing program at Grand Rapids Community College. They too are seeing an uptick in applications for their nursing program, the more clinical side of healthcare.
I think it's really exciting. It not only demonstrates their interest in serving others, but it also demonstrates knowledge of what's going on in the community, how they can help, wanting to dig in.
And she says the interest is spiking at a time when applicants and students are seeing many nurses go through pandemic fatigue and burnout, an aspect they highlight in their program.
We're doing a lot to alleviate some of that anxiety and that frustration. And we spend a lot of time talking through and debriefing what happened on the unit today.
Making sure they're emotionally okay. Both officials say they're happy to see healthcare become so popular among the youth. And they say no matter what field a student chooses, they're ready for them.
I just feel like there's no better time to be in this field than right now.
And so we also reached out to Western Michigan University, their Grand Rapids campus here. They offer a master's in public health, and just asking them, are you guys seeing this uptick in well? And they said absolutely, especially in graduate inquiries. For 2020, there were 74. That number jumped to 474 for 2021. So seems like it's happening throughout West Michigan, and I'm also reading that it's happening throughout the country as well. Just a lot of people interested in public health and other health programs. Reporting live here in Grand Rapids, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.
All right, Lauren, thank you.